Okay, I think social media had a lot to do with the 2020 elections because you got a lot of people on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, especially these new TikTokers. You know, when Trump said he was going to ban TikTok some 4 months ago, I think it was maybe in August or September, I can't recall, but he did sign an executive order.
Looking at TikTok, we may be banning TikTok. We may be doing some other things. There are a couple of options, but a lot of things are happening. So we'll see what happens. But we are looking at a lot of alternatives with respect to TikTok.
And when he did that, these TikTokers, they came out of the woodworks and they started posting a lot of things, buying up tickets and stuff to Trump rallies, and they just started interfering with it a lot.
This is a really interesting story. Do we know at this point how many of those no-shows at the rally were in fact these people who actually got the tickets and just did not show up?
What we do know is that the people who were signing up with no intention of going to the rally may have fueled a lot of the bragging from the Trump campaign about what the attendance numbers were going to be and what the data haul from all of those registrations was going to look like. And the main intent from these teens and Korean pop fans was to cause that bragging that would lead to the disappointment we saw yesterday, that the attendance was much smaller than expected. Now, it was a general admission rally, first come, first serve, so it's not like they were taking seats that other people could have taken, but imagine you are deciding whether to go to the rally and hearing from the campaign that almost 1 million people have registered, and you know there are only 19,000 spots in the arena. That may have discouraged people who would have come from coming.
Put comments at the bottom and let me know what you think caused the outcome of this election. It's not quite over yet, but still a lot of stuff is going on. Still got lawsuits, but I would like to hear your comments. All right, thanks. Here you go. Check out this video.
Our TikTok community is in crisis. We need a president who will not threaten Charlie D'Amelio's career.
Guys, it is almost official. Trump has given Microsoft full permission to engage in conversations about buying TikTok.
We appreciate the support. We're here for the long run, and continue to share your voice here, and let's stand for TikTok.
I'm gonna be real, this app has changed my life in ways that you cannot even imagine. I've gotten a house, I moved out to LA by myself. I'm financially supporting my family because of this.
You all mean the world to me. Thank you for everything. Thank you for a career. Thank you for making all my beatbox dreams come true.
Yeah, I've been on this app since I was born, and there's no amount of words I can put together to say thank you for all the love and support you guys have shown me the past 6 years of my life. I love you.